Variance of a random variable x is defined as e of x squared minus ex whole squared. And the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So here we have to find the standard deviation. So we'll first find e of x, which we know from previous lessons is summation of x fx in the discrete case, equals -4 times 0.5 plus 3 times 0.3 plus 5 times 0.2 equals, so that's -2 plus 0.9 plus 1. So 1.9 minus 2 is -0.1. E of x squared, we know, is summation of x squared fx. So now we square the x values, so it'd be 16 times 0.5 plus 9 times 0.3 plus 25 times 0.2. I've squared all the three x values, the -4, 3, and 0.5. And now that gives me, this is 8 plus 2.7 is 10.7. And plus 25 times 0.2 is 5. So 15.7. So standard deviation is the square root of e of x squared, which is 15.7 minus ex whole squared, so minus -0.1 whole squared. And I get 2.39. Okay, so let's see where's the mistake. That's -2 plus 0.9 plus 1. So that is -0.1. And this one, 16 times 0.5 is 8. 9 times 0.3 is 2.7, so 10.7. And plus 5 is 15.7, so this one is fine. And then I get 15.7 minus the square of -0.1, which is 0.01. And then I take square root of that. Oh, I get 3.96. I don't know what happened the first time. 3.96. Okay, suppose probabilities are 0.4, 0.3, 0.1, and 0.2 respectively. That, let's do a new document. 0, 1, 2, or 3 power failures will strike. Find the mean and variance of x. So x is the power failures, number of power failures. So x would be 0, 1, 2, or 3. And we can make a column for x squared. Just square these numbers 0, 1, 4, and 9, because you know that you will need that in the problem. And f of x is the probability, and the probabilities are 0.4, 0.3, 0.1, and 0.2. And then, you know, you would need the summation of x fx. So let's do that one over here. X fx, so multiply the x values with the x fx values. So this one is 0. And then 1 times, no, this is not 0.1. So 1 times 0 times 0.4 is 0. 1 times 0.3 is 0.3. 2 times 0.1 is 0.2. And 3 times 0.2 is 0.6. And then you do the summation of all these. Summation x fx equals 0.8 plus 0.3 is 1.1. And then I need x squared fx for the e of x squared. And now multiply the x squared and fx columns. So 0. And then 1 times 0.3 is 0.3. 4 times 0.1 is 0.4. And 9 times 0.2 is 1.8. And now this one adds up to 2.2 and 2.5. So I get e of x is 1.1, e of x squared is 2.5. So e of x is the mean. So that's 1.1. And then the variance of x, we know e of x squared minus ex whole squared. It's 2.5 minus 1.1 squared. So that should be 1.2 minus 2.5 minus 1.21, so 1.29. Okay.